looks like it's light. What's going on? It's kind of cute. Hello, little guy. Don't you worry about a thing. Me and your father will take care of everything.